everybody, and thank you for watching this video. I just picked up or got delivered my 1979 Malibu, we'll call it Project Blue, drag car that I'll be working on over winter, making videos, trying to get it ready for the springtime to take it drag racing or grudge racing at our local track. What can I tell you about the car? I can tell you that the original owner that I just purchased it from, the car's from Arizona. It's very, very solid. It spent the last 2 or 3 years in Syracuse. This is a roller. It needs a motor. I bought it. The person that had it had an issue and his big block broke on him. So he's passing it on to the next person and moving on to a different project. The car looks good. I would consider this to be an amateur paint job. Nothing special, but as you watch the video, you'll see at one time this car was brown, a dark brown. This is the first time I'm going over the car, checking stuff out, show you around, put you back in the holder for a minute. I'll open the hood and pop the trunk. It's got hood pins on it and an aftermarket hood, fiberglass. You know, if it's got hood pins, it must have been fast at one time. I got no springs. I'm going to have to get some springs on here to hold it up, the hood. I'm not driving around with a hockey stick at the car show or a piece of wood. The people will be laughing. But that's okay if they want to laugh. I used to have a 454 big block Chevy in it. Got some braided lines, heater core's intact, which is a great thing. It's got a October 350 with an aftermarket stall converter. I don't know the size of the stall converter. I have to research it. Looks like they did a good job of taking it apart, removing the motor. Got the motor mounts. Got the battery in it. It has a Hayward fiberglass hood. I'll show you the interior real quick. It's got bucket seats in it. I don't like them. I prefer the old school bench seat. Not too crazy about the steering wheel. Not too crazy about the gauges, however they did them. Tack. Oil gauge. Temperature, volts. Oil pressure. This was an air conditioning car at one time. I don't see the air conditioner pump though. It does have the cigarette lighter. It does need the trim ring. It has an aftermarket Pioneer with a removable faceplate. CD player, so I won't be able to steal it as much. There's a bunch of little buttons on here I got to figure out. It has a Pro reaction B&M shifter. Never had one of them, so it'll be fun to figure out. Dash pads in real nice shape. That looks good. Got to vacuum clean it up, give it a detail. Just got it today. Missing a couple trim pieces I have to go to the junkyard and pick up. Headliner's in real nice shape. Got to put the sun visors back on. Show you around. To the trunk. Trunk's in really nice shape. Not rusted at all. Got a trunk full of parts. I got to vacuum clean it, clean up, make it look nice. It's got an aftermarket stereo with an amplifier. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, here's the visors. It's got a lot of little parts I got to go through. It's got a Yukon Grizzly locker rear end. He also installed a Grizzly 373 gear ratio. Car needs a couple plastic pieces. This is where you put the gas in case you guys are wondering. Can't find it on the side of the car. Missing that little bit there, no biggie. It's got some pretty nice rims on it. They say Jags, but I want to say they're Weld rims. It's got nice Mickey Thompson 275/60 by 15 GT Street SS. Real nice. I like them. Thinking about putting them on my Chevelle. I clean them up. You know the car's fast when it's got stickers on the side. Definitely means it's fast. But pretty much all those stickers are meaningless because the only thing I got left in this car that I bought is the B&M shifter. The rest all disappeared with the motor and the exhaust. Show you the front wheels. I think they'll clean up real nice. Got to give it a detail. They are 26 by 6.0 R15s. I like them. A lot of meat on them. Look pretty cool. You can see the brown. The car originally was brown. That's a Landau model. Gotta see if I can fix that up, make it look fancy. The car was just a quick spray. I would say amateur spray job, maybe weekend warrior. The doors are in nice shape. I think the whole car is in nice shape. Not rusty.